In today's video, I'll show you how to delete a website on HostGator in just a few minutes. Managing your site doesn't have to feel overwhelming. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can remove a website with confidence. First, open your browser and go to HostGator.com. On the home page, click the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your login email and password to access your account. If you've forgotten your password, use the reset link on the page. Once logged in, you'll be taken to the HostGator homepage, which serves as your main control hub. From here, click on Websites. This option shows all the sites currently hosted on your account. From the list, find the website you want to delete. Next to it, click on Settings to open the management options for that site. Inside the settings page, look for the option labeled Delete Content Only. Clicking this will remove all of the website's content, but keep the website itself listed in your account. Before continuing, HostGator will ask for confirmation. Double check that this is the correct site because deleting content is permanent. Once you confirm, the process will begin. After a few moments, HostGator will finish removing the content. You'll see a success message confirming that your website content has been deleted. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your website content on HostGator. If you ever run into issues or need further assistance, HostGator's support team is available to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.